In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Outlook to dark mode or change theme. This is a simple customization that can make your email experience more comfortable, especially if you work long hours in front of your screen or prefer a darker, more modern look for your applications. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your Windows computer and make sure your inbox is fully loaded. Once everything is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This will take you to the main settings area where you can adjust different options for the application. After clicking File, select Options from the list that appears. This will open a new window called Outlook Options, where you can control various settings related to how Outlook looks and functions. Take a moment for the window to load completely so all categories are visible. On the left-hand side of the Outlook Options window, click on General. This section contains the basic phone, appearance and personalization settings. Once you are inside, look for the section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. In this section, you will find an option called Office Theme. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. You will see several theme options such as white, light gray, dark gray, and black, depending on your version of Outlook. To enable dark mode, simply select the dark gray or black option. As soon as you choose a darker theme, Outlook will automatically apply the changes across the interface. You will immediately notice the background and menus shift to a darker appearance, making the screen easier on the eyes and reducing brightness. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same Office theme drop-down and select a lighter option. This flexibility allows you to adjust Outlook based on your comfort and lighting environment. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. This ensures that your chosen theme remains active every time you open Outlook. And that's it. You have successfully changed Microsoft Outlook to dark mode or updated your theme, giving your email interface a more comfortable and personalized look. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.